Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today I am going to explain you how to add public holidays. So let's start. Just click on HR module, then open public holidays, then click on these four dots and just select add public holidays. Then select cost center, then select the year, then select type of leave or public holiday, then add that occasion. I'm just adding Republic Day. Just select that holiday date and just save it. Your entry will be created and public holiday is added. If you want to edit, view and delete that entry, then you can use these actions. If you want to quick search any public holiday, then you can use these filters to search, and you can use this refresh button to refresh that search data. So that's it. Thank you. If you get any queries, then please connect us at contact us at the sunmolsoftware.com.